We're joined by Senator Rick Scott. Thank you so much, Senator, for joining us. You just got off the telephone with one county sheriff. You've been speaking to others all day long. What are they telling you about what they're dealing with?
Well, I just left Fort Myers Beach. There's still a lot of water. The state has a lot of water. We're already saturated. This storm basically followed the same path as a hurricane last year, Idalia. And we've got a lot of water in the state. We're not out of the woods yet. There's still a lot of wind. But, you know, the killer is typically the water. So I tell everybody, be careful. Don't drive into standing water. Be careful of down power lines. We have a lot of down power lines. There's going to be trees that fall. The water is saturated, so there's going to be more trees that fall. So there's a lot of work to do. But Florida's resilient, and we'll come through this like we have the other storms. But there's a lot of water in the state right now.
Yeah, Senator, some of the places hardest hit today by Hurricane Debby were also really hard hit by Hurricane Idalia.
Absolutely. It's almost the exact same path. And we have a lot of low-lying areas in our state and went right up those areas and did the same thing again. So I'm going to hopefully get around to be able to see some of these areas to do everything I can to make sure the federal government is a good partner. FEMA is a responsible organization to our governors. And so I know FEMA I met with them last week. They're committed to doing the right thing and doing everything they can to help our state recover.
And Senator, I know that there were evacuation orders in place in many counties in Florida. Are folks heeding whatever warnings you and emergency officials are giving them, whether it's to evacuate or take shelter?
It's a lot of work to get people to leave their homes. No one wants to leave their home. They know it might be hard to get back in. They want to protect their animals. They want to protect, their loved ones. They want to protect their house. So it's always a lot of work. When I was governor, I worked hard to get people to evacuate, to keep people safe. Because I always say this: you can rebuild that house, you just can't rebuild your life. And so you don't want to lose anybody. You hate that anybody dies in these storms. So yeah, it is very difficult to get people to leave their homes. But there's a lot of water. You might not be able to get out for a period of time. You might not have power. You might not have communication. So often it's a lot safer to be at one of our shelters.
Yeah, no kidding. Power has been knocked out to hundreds of thousands of Floridians. What are you hearing about how long that power will be out?
Well, I've been talking to the utilities. They're absolutely committed to get the power back on as quickly as possible. They pre-position people to come in and fix the transmission lines, get them back up. It's really hard when it hits a rural area of our state because out there it takes a lot of people because it'll be a mile between homes sometimes. But if that line's down, it could be take a whole county out. So I know people are working really hard. It's a dangerous job, but we have people from all over the country that have come in and help us.
Yeah, I know that, we just saw this whole thing in Texas with Hurricane Beryl. Millions of people lost power in Texas. It took them a long time to get that power back.
Well, we got to work hard. We have great utilities in our state. When I was governor, I tried to get all of our utilities to work together, pre-position assets, get ready, have all the resources they need, and as they finish one area, let's take all the resources. Don't send them home. Yeah. Let's send them to the next area to get it done.
All right, Senator Rick Scott, good luck down there. Keep us posted and let us know if there's anything else we need to tell our audience about what's happening to the folks in Florida. Really appreciate. Thanks so much for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.